Onya in here. Who be this one?
Junior Chief. Welcome.
Why did you dress like this? Are you now riding Okada or something?
No, I'm an engineer now.
Engine?
Yes, I'm a builder now.
Builder. Bulldozer called
builder. You know my site. Your site in there.
Builders, no, people where they build house.
Yes, exactly.
You?
Yes, nah.
They build house.
Yes.
Starting when?
2 weeks ago now.
Kibidro.
Yes, so.
What's going on here?
Junior.
2 weeks ago, na ogam drum, ima ogam manama ties na. That my ogana.
Wait, do your guy settle you 2 weeks ago?
Yes.
You don't start the build house?
Yes, nah.
Who give you certificate? Which school you read them?
School kwa.
Awesome school. Which school you read building of house? Or you just map it out? Or gonna matter is PM give you don't become a builder.
They know they go school to build house now. I get experience. You know, no say my papa, my father now block now, block more than
So
now my organ Thailand. So
wait a minute. Your papa the mode block.
Yes.
Your Ghana Thailand. Good and working was Thailand.
I get experience of those things.
So therefore, because your papa the mode block, you don't become a builder. How many pieces of block? One bag of cement she give us?
1 bag of cement. Me not say me I economize 1 bag of cement. 58 blocks.
Eliza Nemo. Need your full bag of cement. Put out 50. No, let's do 555. No, do a 555. So you don't become builder. You don't get certificate. You don't go school. No approval from government. Damn, somebody give you house to build. You don't build house. You want to kill people.
I don't know, say government they approve.
Why you go take no when you are illiterate? How can you become a builder when you did not go to school? Before you can become a builder, you must obtain your certificate. Who is the architect? Who draw the house?
Okay, the person will draw the house. Now me draw now. You? I draw with carbon paper now. Now me draw.
Hey, who do the electrical work?
Now me do the electrical engineer. Now me do. Now me wire the house.
Okay, who can do the conduit? Like who is
the piping?
The plumbing all of them.
Now me do them.
Oh, tabra loco! I will. Now this in the kilos. Now this in the kilos. Everybody. No, they talk. Wait a minute. Did the carbon give you a certificate? I read the Did they give you a certificate to start building?
Cupboard. Which one be cupboard?
I'm talking about Council of Registered Builders of Nigeria Association.
Council. They get council for the.
Why they not go get council? They not give you Nigeria Institute of Building. They don't know about you. If they type your name now for www now online now, your name no go fit come out.
No. I know they do online. No, I know they do now offline. They do
offline.
I know they do online.
Why I go go now offline? If I no carry plank here now, be go one time, give Omoyoshi. This is how you people go out. Go everywhere, every year, every month. They see houses collapsing here and there. If you don't hear them for Jabode, you go hear them for Sokoto, you go hear them for Ibada, you go hear the house fall here. Now people like you. Because if you do not go to school, how would you know how to build everything in Nigeria? You need to obtain your certificate. You go to school, you study it, you read it, so that when you build a house, you become solid. They say when a doctor make a mistake, just a life might be gone. But if a builder make a mistake, we will lose lots of life. That is the reason you must be registered, you must be identified with a certificate to make sure that you are properly raised, you are properly certified, verified, and then stampolized to build.
I don't know say they give certificates for building.
They give. Everything if you want to be a doctor, they must give you a certificate. If you want to be a nurse, you must obtain your certificate. If you want to be a president or whatever, you must obtain your certificate. So applicable to building.
Okay, which school did they go?
Nigerian Institute of Building. You have to read, you have to study, you have to acquire knowledge, because they say knowledge is power.
Okay, how much be their school fees?
You didn't go headmaster. If I see you here again, I must go and report you to the government. Now they could die here.
No report now.
I'm not reporting on my here with another. Kill your to apartment to block 100. What a mess. Make sure you obtain, make sure you give your house to registered builders. Not just anybody. Don't give any quack. I'm a man actually think. I'm a builder. I'm this, I'm that. Make sure that person is registered to avoid losing lives in the future. What a mess. Good morning, everybody. Today is another beautiful day, wonderful day that the Lord has made to bless all of us. Have you heard my latest album or my latest track either? Normal Special. Have your mother danced in a recent time? You know, a month of March is a very long time of celebrating our mothers. It's not as if there is a particular day or time to celebrate mothers. Our parents should be celebrated every minute of the day because it is not easy. If you see what those women go through to give birth to us, to give us life, like I sang in that song, Mama sacrificed a lot to give us life. In fact, I don't know. I want to make this as a challenge now. Go and listen to that song and then come under this comment, on the comment section of this very video, and drop 2 or 3 lines, 3 words or 3 names that I called our mothers that touched you the more. Then I'll compare it. If it is the same with my own, I'm going to give a gift at the end of the day. So please, I want you to go now. Listen from beginning to the end of Normal Special by Chief Imo. Then write out which name where I call Mama Deb, where touch you most. Or there is some verse I sang that, to me, that even when I was singing in the studio, I started shedding tears because whenever I'm singing, I do go back and I do reflect back and remember all my mother went through those days when we were growing up. So do that. Just come and comment this. Then I will compare and contrast. Anyone will touch me more, I'm going to give a gift. Thank you and God bless you. Please tell others to tell others. Remember, you have to make your own video, dance, and then celebrate your mother, celebrate your father, because the song is for mothers and fathers, in fact for our parents. God bless you, Chief Imo. I love you. Sorry I'm coming from the bush. I gram